Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DEN token. In my last video, I shared with you that the price line of DEN token has broken out the resistance of an inverse head and shoulder on the daily time frame. And in today's video, we will again analyze this pattern. And before starting the analysis, by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, then you can find the link to join me here at the Patreon in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to recall this chart. And you can see I had shared this pattern with my members at the Patreon on 2nd of November. And that was a breakout from an inverse head and shoulder pattern. And you can see that the price line after breaking out, it was moving at 6.9 cents. And our targets as per the head and shoulder pattern, the first target was here because we had a resistance here. And the second target I shared that was approximately at 1 cent. But I'm expecting a bigger move. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line is still accumulating here, even though we had a move up to approximately 7.8 cents, very close to 8 cents. And the price line moved down again, tested the previous resistance of this inverse head and shoulder as a support, and likely to move up again. And right now it is moving at 7.1 cents. Now, if we move to the daily time frame, the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that this is the inverse head and shoulder pattern that I shared with you. This is the left shoulder, and this is the head of the pattern, and this is the right shoulder. And this was the breakout point where the price line broke out this resistance of inverse head and shoulder. And you can see that the price line after breakout tested the previous resistance as support, and from here it is likely to move up. At the same time, it is also the formation of another symmetrical triangle. As you can see, I have already placed the trend lines here. This is the support of the symmetrical triangle, and this is the resistance. So right now we are having an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and the formation of a symmetrical triangle as well. At the same time, the price line has formed, and it has broken out the resistance of both patterns at the same time. And the targets, as I told you, that as per inverse head and shoulder pattern, can be approximately at 1 cent. If I place it here at the breakout point, then we can see that our next target can be approximately here at 1 cent after this breakout. But we can watch that the price line has broken out a very long-term resistance line. Here the price line found this resistance here in the month of August 2021, and we had a rejection, we had another rejection, then we had another rejection, another here, and you can see that after so many rejections, finally the price line has broken out this resistance. Therefore, this move can be really very huge. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.